Good day, students. Did you know that food preparation is greatly related to the kitchen layout, the equipment, the utensils, and the other items in it? Every kitchen is made up of three main activity centers. First, the storage and preparation center. Second, the cooking center. And lastly, the cleanup or washing center. The work involved in all three is so interrelated that these must not be widely separated but must form a compact work unit. An effective use of the kitchen space and equipment is achieved when range, sink, and refrigerator are fairly close to each other, with sufficient working surface and storage cabinet interspersed among them. Again, good day, students. I am Teacher Roy. Today, we will explore an idea that plays a significant role in organization and practicality, something that helps streamline tasks, improve workflow, and create a better experience overall. By the end, you will see how small details can make a big difference.
Created using Powtoon.